In this video, we'll learn how to get the December dump sticker and create a trending Instagram story. The month of December is almost over, and if you want to create a dump of your photos for this month, then simply follow my steps. The first thing that we will do is to open our Instagram application, and in order to find the sticker that we need, we first have to open an Instagram profile that's called Add Yours Stickers by Astrida. That is a cool little profile that has lots of Add Yours stickers and other things, so go check that profile out. We're looking for the December dump Add Yours sticker, so we will open this highlight that's called Monthly Dump. And the next step is to go through these stories until you can see this December dump sticker. Just tap on this Add Yours, and the sticker will open in our Instagram camera. The last step is to add the photos for your dump, and we can do that by tapping this little collage button at the left side of your screen, and just select 4 photos that you want to use for your December dump story. And that's about it. If you want more Instagram tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe to Tutor, and I will see you soon.